Ayyo, this coronavirus has created havoc in the whole world. Are you following all the rules to keep yourself safe? I mean, are you wearing masks, maintaining social distancing, and washing your hands regularly? Good, But what if, in spite of following all the rules, coronavirus attacks you? To fight the virus, the most important thing is having good immunity system. But if you think there is some magic to improve your immunity overnight, then…
There is no magic wand.
Don't worry, Sadhguru has given us 10 important tips to improve our immunity in 6 to 8 weeks time. Tip number 1. Chew neem leaves, mahabilva leaves or eat raw amla with some salt on it.
You must take 8 to 12 leaves and put it in your mouth, chew it and keep it in your mouth. It's very important it's in your mouth. It's most effective when it's in your mouth region. So you must keep it in your mouth, chew it for 1 to 2 hours.
But neem leaves are so bitter. When people can eat tobacco knowing it causes cancer, then why not neem leaves? In fact, it kills cancerous cells also. But…
Only thing about neem is if you consume it in excess quantity, it also kills the sperm cells. And women when they are pregnant, up to 4 months of pregnancy, or to be safe, up to 5 months of pregnancy, one should not consume neem.
Tip number 2. Consume turmeric balls or chyawanprash or peppercorn soaked in honey. Tip number 3. Drinking hot drinks or kashayams like
Hot water, a little bit of honey, little bit of turmeric and if it is possible, some pudina or coriander in it a little bit.
Or you can drink Neelavimbu Kashayama, which is a mixture of 9 potent herbs. You can purchase it from Isha Life. The link is in the description box. Tip number 4. Engage in more activity with the earth or soil by doing gardening or walking barefoot on the ground.
With this virus around, believe me, those of you who are in some way in contact with the soil, here we call this Prithvi Prema Seva, that means getting involved with the soil in a very loving manner. Well, your ability to live, your ability to resist these kind of invasions upon your life will be greatly enhanced.
I can't do that. What will people think about me? In that case, you can have a mud bath. I know the favorite pastime for people nowadays is lying on the bed because they can't go outside. So, tip number 5 is stay fit by being physically active, like on-the-spot jogging for 10 to 15 minutes a day. Tip number 6. Practice Simha Kriya. This is a special process designed by Sadhguru to increase our lung capacity and immunity.
Suppose you start doing it today, after a week's time, if you find some difficulty in doing it, you clearly know you have some respiratory stuff even before other symptoms show up.
The link for the process is in the description box. Bad words spoken by someone makes you feel bad. On the other hand, if someone says something good to you, you too feel good. That is how the mantras work. They create a particular kind of positive vibrations around you. So, tip number 7 is chanting Yoga Yoga Yogeshwaraya.
This mantra is particularly designed to generate what is called a Samit Prana. There are 5 dimensions of pranavayu in the system. Samit Prana is that which is in charge of respiratory process and the thought process, and it generates heat. Well, the pranavayu is fundamentally in charge of respiration and thought process, but without the fire of Samit Prana, pranavayu cannot function. So this is why any kind of kriya or pranayam that you do, first thing is to generate some heat, because without generating the ushna, the other dimensions cannot really fly.
Link for chanting this mantra correctly is in the description box. Tip number 8. Wearing copper has immense health benefits on our body. To beat this virus, Sadhguru has designed a special kavach which is called Bhairavi Raksha Kavacha. It is made up of pure copper and is consecrated by Sadhguru himself. It is available on Isha Life in different sizes. Tip number 9. Doing your yogic practices daily, because
Yoga doesn't come through blood. You gotta do it. That's the only problem with the damn thing. It works miraculously, but you have to do it.
And the last tip is…
Started blabbering again, Come here, I need your help,
And the last tip is, stay joyful and exuberant like me, not like Parvati. And don't forget to get vaccinated.
Coming or not,
Ayo.